Right, thanks for joining me for this one. We have, because the other ones were not great, some headphones. Now, excuse the colour, that's not what I got them for. I got them because these are made by Plantronics. Now, and they're also BackBeats. I have some BackBeat headphones and they're actually quite good. Plantronics is a renowned company for business telecom communication stuff, headsets and stuff, and they also make headphones for general purpose. I've got some sports headphones which are in-ear ones, Bluetooth. Never had a problem with them, really good sounding, but these I was after a pair of on-ear ones for doing editing. These cropped up, so I thought, yeah, I've got history with them, got history with that brand thing. So I thought, yeah, I'll give them a go. Sadly, the website that I bought these from, these were the only colour available. Not great, but I'm not going out, and it's certainly not a fashion parade. These have memory foam cushions and other bits and pieces, but 18 hours. So that's good. There's some information for people who may wish to read it. There is also the app, which what I read was you can update the headphones. Not sure why you would need to update the headphones, but apparently you can. If you see there, it's Bluetooth 4.1. I believe you can connect these to do two devices at once. Don't hold me to that. I don't even know where I read that or heard that. I'm not sure why you would want to be honest. But it goes into deep sleep if you don't have them playing any music or they're just left. They will go into a deep sleep. And apparently they'll last for 6 months in a deep sleep, which is good. Fully charged in 90 minutes, which is, again, good. Oh, it looks like it comes with a bag as well. So far so good. I really hope these are so much better than the Fresh and Rebel ones, because those, although nice design, they were comfortable, the sound quality was not great, and there was also high-pitched whine noise. Right, let's get ready, and oh, there we go. We have one packet of silica gel. Oh, okay. Everything is in the bag. One empty box. Literally everything's in the bag. One tiny micro USB cable. Never understood why people use that, or should I say why companies send such a thing. This is a letdown for how much these cost compared to the Fresh and Rebel ones. The Fresh and Rebel cable was so much nicer than this. It looked good too. This just looks cheap and nasty, which is a shame. Oh, dropping instructions all over the place. We have one of those really annoying massive sheets of instructions with hundreds of different variations of saying the same thing. Regulatory compliance information, some other limited warranty information. we have that, which is nice. Then we have the goodies. Again, these are nice and small. I like that. Got some screen protectory type stuff on there. Not sure why, not really necessary. Now, as you can see, they're the wrong way around. But obviously you twist them and then you pop them on. Weird shape there. Oh. Now, I have seen a video where somebody's mentioned that when you have them on your head, there's not that much maneuverability there, and they've had to extend them and then sort of bend that a bit. I'm really hoping that's not going to be the case for me. But we shall see. They are very nice feeling. You've got the PLT there, which is their abbreviation for Plantronics. You have them that way round, as that's the right, so you'd have them that way. Your forward, back and pause buttons are there. Volume up and down there. Now here, that turns them on or puts them onto Bluetooth, it would seem. And this button here, if you've got them connected to a mobile like an iPhone or Android, if you've got the Assist like Google Assist, then you can push and hold that and then it will wake that up. And also Siri, again, that's what I've read. Obviously not tried it because I've only just got them, but I'm sure it will work. There's your charging port. And this is for if you've run out of battery, stick that into whatever you're trying to listen to music on, provided it's got a headphone socket. And then away you go still. You can carry on listening to your music. Now, there is a little bit of an issue of sorts, because if you've got a big head, which most people's heads would be about that is forcing them out quite a lot there. Most people's heads would be about that wide, unless you're a child. You'd have them like that, and that is forcing it out there. So that might be a point of failure, potentially, but we shall see. They do extend down quite a bit, so if you've got a really tall head as well, then you can. But yeah, they look nice. Even in this colour, they're not that bad. Let's have a look at this. Quick start. There you go, for your quick start. My computer has just decided it's doing something. So, there we go. There are our Plantronics BackBeat 500 Bluetooth headphones. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe, thumbs up, and join me next time for something else. Thanks again. Bye for now.